In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a TurboTax online product. We'll go through the account setup process step by step so you can get started smoothly. If you're activating TurboTax for the first time, this is usually the point where you create your Intuit account, which is the account used to access TurboTax and other Intuit services online. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site before entering any personal information. This helps protect your account and ensures you're completing the setup in the right place. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, look for the Sign Up option and click it. This will take you to the account creation page. If you already have an Intuit account, you would normally sign in instead. But for this process, we're creating a new account as part of the activation setup. On the Sign Up page, enter your email address in the appropriate field. Make sure you use an email account that you can access easily, since it may be used for verification, account recovery, and important updates related to your tax account. Double check for spelling errors before moving on, because even a small typo can cause problems later. Next, enter your password. Choose a password that is strong and secure, ideally something unique that you don't use on other websites. A good password helps protect sensitive financial and tax information. So take a moment to create one that you'll remember, but that is also difficult for others to guess. After that, enter your phone number. This is often used for account verification and security purposes. Be sure to type the number carefully so you can receive any codes or alerts if needed during the setup or sign-in process. Once all of the required fields are filled in, click Create an Intuit account. This will submit your information and create the account you'll use to access TurboTax online. Depending on the platform, you may be asked to verify your email address or phone number before continuing, so keep an eye out for any confirmation messages. And that's it. After your Intuit account has been created, you're ready to continue with your TurboTax online product activation and move forward with the setup process. Take your time when entering your information, and if anything doesn't work right away, reviewing each field for errors is usually the fastest fix.